What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to Wanderlust Films. Today we are making our YouTube channels look professional. Okay, so a couple reasons why you want to do this. As a entrepreneur, as a self-business, is that correct? Who knows? As a person who's trying to brand yourself, you want to make yourself look as professional as possible, even if you're not. Like myself, I'm not a professional. I've had little jobs, paid jobs. So I'm starting with my YouTube channel because I'm using my YouTube channel as kind of an online portfolio for my videos. To make it easy to follow, I'm going to down into 5 simple steps. The first step is profile picture. The second step is banner. Third is your channel trailer. Fourth is your description / about page. And fifth is end of video annotations. So now that we know the steps, let's go and do step 1. Okay, so we are doing the profile picture and the banner, right? My gosh, dogs. Anyways, so we're gonna be taking the profile picture, the banner. We're actually doing it right in my backyard, so you can really do it anywhere. It's just some good light right now, so let's go. Alright, that is a wrap for the profile picture and the banner. Now let's head back inside to finish up the steps. 2. Alright, step 3 is your channel trailer. I have already made a channel trailer. It is uploaded. You guys can go watch it if you want. I'll put it up there. I've also made a behind the scenes, more of the thought process through making that film, so I'll put it up there as well. The reason you want a channel trailer is because you need a quick short video to show what your channel is about. For people who just stumbled on it or are visiting it for the first time or come to your channel after watching one of your videos. You want something quick, easy for them to understand what their channel's about. The process to putting up a channel trailer is very simple. You upload your channel trailer as a regular video, and then you hit customize your channel, and then you view it as a new person, and then it has a thing to add a channel trailer. It's very self-explanatory, very simple to do, and it makes your channel look very professional. Step 4 is your about / description, whatever you want to call it. Basically just fill this out. People want a way to contact you, a way to, kind of get more background about you. So simply fill it out. It's you just hit customize the channel again, you hit the about, and you fill it out. Your description, though, I think is a very important key part of that. Makes your channel look a lot more professional when you have a good, well-written description. I think it'll make a big difference. Now, step 5 is end of screen annotations. These just look so much better to end your videos. It's a little more difficult than the other steps to do. What you want to do when you upload your video, you don't want to upload it to public, you want to upload it to private. And then when it is uploaded, you go into your videos and you'll see it there. It'll only be available for you to see. Anyways, then you go into edit video, and then you go into the tab that says end screen and annotations. The end screen annotations just gives a very easy way to connect to your channel. I always like to put my channel up there. It's an easy way for people to subscribe to me or just visit my channel. Also adding your videos, your other videos, videos that you've made that are similar to the one that they just watched to keep them interested. It's very self-explanatory on how you do it. You just add an element, pick the element. One of them does have to be a video or a playlist. Alright, those are the 5 simple steps to make your channel look more professional. I hope you learned something. I hope you liked it. If you want to follow me on Instagram, I'll link that down in the description below. I post cool photos of random stuff, mostly landscape, might be branching off into other things, and you'll get updates on this YouTube channel and where it's going and what new videos I'm posting. Also, if you want to get a Wanderlust Films t-shirt, I'll link that in the description. Support the channel. I think that is it. Thank you all for watching. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll hopefully see you in the next one.